Hey guys, this is Vani. I'm back with yet another video. Today I'm going to unbox the Mivi DuoPods M40. So here we go. We can see a warranty card on the top. And here is the capsule. And the pods. Let's see what else we've got in the box. We have a micro USB cable and an extra pair of earbuds. That's it, let's just put that aside and deal with the DuoPods. Well, it's a little too glossy than the M20, which is actually making me cringe right now. It has the micro USB port at the back, and when you open the capsule, the pods actually light up. And the pods are a little curved at the edge than the M20. Let me give you a quick demonstration on how the tap feature works. Connect the pods and you can actually control the music with just one tap. And vice versa, you can also attend and end the calls with just one tap. Mivi M40 has the exact same configurations and features as the M20, which includes the 4 hours battery life, true high fidelity stereo, the Bluetooth 5.0 which does not drain your phone's battery too much, and the splash resistant, and the damn good one touch pair and play feature, and its super solid bass audio. Well, here's my brutally honest review on the Mivi DuoPods M40. I personally find the glossy finish of the M40 a little too weird and cringy. So yeah, it's all your choice, M40 or M20. Ball is in your court. Decide for yourself.